So students, next topic is farm management for cattle. If we provide good nourishment, proper facilities to the cattle, definitely they will be benefiting us from the good yield. So what are the farming practices, or you can say what are the things which has to be implemented in farm management for cattle? First the proper cleaning and shelter facilities are required for them. So proper cleaning, daily cleaning of the cattle is required, and proper shelter facilities. For that, what we can do is brushing and cleaning them regularly. So regular brushing of animals. Next, we can keep it in a proper ventilated areas, in a proper shelter, that they can get rid of the cold, or you can say that or they can protect them from the heat, rain, cold. Okay, so these are the facilities. And next, the floor of the cattle shed should be sloping, so that as to keep the dry and facilitate cleaning. So these all facilities should provided to the cattle for proper yield. First one, they had to be facilitated with proper sheltering and cleaning facilities. Proper brushing should be there, proper cleaning should be there, proper well ventilated shelter should be there. Last, sloping area, they should be kept in a sloping shed, cattle shed, that to keep them dry and facilitate cleaning. Now comes to the point that food requirements for the cattle. So definitely, why the food is required for the cattle? For maintenance. Obviously, if we are giving the healthy food to the cattle, they can grow well, or this will support them for the healthy life. And next, for producing food, milk purposes, is definitely during the lactation period, they need more food, more nutrition. If they are feeded with proper amount of nutritious food, then definitely they will yield more milk. So which types of food should be given to the animals? They are of basically two types, that is roughage and second is concentrates. What is roughage and what is concentrates? Now listen. Roughage is largely fibrous, okay, but contain low nutrients. Okay, here its opposite is concentrates, low in fiber but contain relatively high levels of proteins and other nutrients. Okay, clear? This is the basic difference between the roughage and concentrate. These are the two animal feeds. Okay, so two animal feeds are roughage and concentrates. Roughage are largely fibrous but low in nutrients or protein, whereas vice versa, concentrates in concentrates, that is low in fiber, but they contain relatively high levels of proteins and other nutrients. So last point, last point is diseases in cattle. So now we will study about the diseases in cattle. So diseases in cattle caused by the external parasites and internal parasites. As the name suggests, external parasites, they live on the skin and cause skin diseases like lice, mice, etc. Internal parasites, they include worms that affect the stomach and intestine, and flukes that damages the liver. So due to these parasites, the cattle will get ill or will get diseased. Next, cattle also caused from the infectious diseases like the viruses and bacteria. For proper maintenance, or for preventive measure, they should provide it with the vaccination against bacterial and viral infections. So these all are the parameters by which we can grow up our yield by this animal by this animal husbandry. See, today what we read in animal husbandry, we read the need of animal husbandry, cattle farming, breeds of cattle, farm management for cattle, food requirements of cattle diseases, the food requirements of cattle, and last, diseases in cattle. So students, thank you for the day. Tomorrow we will start with the next topic, with the same topic, but the next topic of this animal husbandry, that is poultry farming.